Pressed for time, but still craving a delicious roast? Stick around as we quickly whip up a mouth-watering chicken roast in no time. Let's dive in. Start by boiling the chicken to partially cook it. Place enough water in a pot, and as it warms up, add the chicken legs and thighs along with some fresh mint leaves. Season with salt to taste. Bring the water to a boil. Let the chicken simmer until it's half done. Remove the chicken from the pot and don't forget to save the broth. You can use it later to cook rice. Now, let's marinate the chicken. Start with half a cup of yogurt and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 beaten egg, quarter cup of corn flour. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, half a tablespoon of turmeric, and half a tablespoon of chili flakes. Follow up with 1 tablespoon of tikka masala powder and a pinch of salt to taste. Add a touch of red food color for that vibrant look. And pour in 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Finally, mix in 1 tablespoon of mustard sauce. Stir everything together until well combined. Submerge the half-cooked chicken pieces in the marinade, ensuring the flavors fully infuse into the chicken. Let it marinate for 2 hours. Now, it's time to deep fry our marinated chicken. Fry on a low flame until the chicken is fully cooked and develops a nice light brown color. The chicken is ready, perfectly cooked to a beautiful golden brown. Serve the golden brown chicken with the rice cooked in the flavorful chicken broth. Enjoyed this chicken roast? Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Have a wonderful day,